Hello students, in this problem we are required to find out which of the following is or are not a square of a 3 by 3 matrix with real entries. Four different matrices are given and which of them is not a square of any 3 by 3 matrix with real entries. Definitely we cannot find the square root of this matrix, any of them. In fact, about this option B, you can very clearly see that this is an identity matrix, so definitely we can write it as I square, identity matrix of order 3. So definitely this is a square of a 3 by 3 matrix, so this is not our answer. Regarding this A, C and D, what we can do is we can't take the square root, but we can find the determinant of any matrix. If B is equal to A square, then determinant of B, that will be equal to determinant of A into A, and that is equal to determinant of A square. Now from here we can get a criteria that if the determinant of some matrix is coming out to be negative, then we can definitely claim that it is not a square of some matrix, as determinant of B in this condition, if B is equal to A square, will always be equal to determinant of A square. So let's get their determinants, each of them. So if we get determinant of this one, if this is A, then determinant of A, that will be equal to -1, 0. Let's expand it about first row itself. So that will be -1 only. This is negative quantity. That means this can't be a square of any matrix. So this is a correct choice for us. This option C, if we get the determinant of this is again, if this is B, then determinant of B is again -1. So this can't be a square of any matrix with real numbers. So this is also a correct choice. What about this one? Now we have already checked the three options. This is a square of some matrix, this one, and this can't be square, this can't be square. What about this? If we take determinant of this, calling it D, determinant of D, that will be equal to 1. This is coming out to be positive. Option A and C are correct choices, and regarding this determinant of B is equal to 1, we can say that it can be square of some 3 by 3 matrix. In fact, with a little hit and trial, you can say you can find out that one of the possible matrix that may be 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 -1 0. If you take a square of this matrix, you will be getting this one. So option D is also incorrect. A and C are the correct choices. Let's confirm it. That is okay. First and third choices are the correct ones. Thank you.